Hello everyone, in this video I am going to share with you most best suitable 5 aquarium fish for your 250 gallon aquarium. Before video start, I am requesting you, if you are new on the channel, so please subscribe my channel and turn on the notification bell icon for more future videos. Now guys, let's begin video. First aquarium fish is silver arowana. The silver arowana, also known as the dragonfish or monkey fish, is a freshwater fish indigenous to South America. Arowana are strong, powerful swimmers and can be fairly aggressive at times. They are predator fish that can grow up to 4 feet in size and weight in excess of 6 kg. When raised in captivity, you should expect an arowana to have a lifespan of 10 to 15 years. They quickly outgrow most hobby aquarium tank and require a tank at least 250 gallon in capacity. Juveniles can be raised in smaller tank of 60 gallon but will quickly need moving out into a large aquarium like 250 gallon aquarium. Second aquarium fish for 250 gallon is tinfoil barb. Tinfoil barb is a very large fish from cyprine family. It can be up to 14 inches long. Quite often the juveniles are sold on the market and nobody tells about how large the fish become as an adult one, and as a result the fish quickly overgrows any tank of common aquarium and then required a really spacious tank. Tinfoil barb is a shoaling fish, so better to add at least 5 quantity in a tank. So 250 gallon is a very good space for at least 5 huge and active tinfoil barb. Third aquarium fish for 250 gallon is Bayshore fish. These fish are bottom dwellers and will spend most of their time near the bottom of the tank. They are nocturnal animals and prefer feeding during the night. They have a poor eyesight and rely mainly on their other sense to find food. They are peculiar looking fish that can breathe air. They have a pair lungs which help gas exchange in poorly oxygenated environments. They have two small openings on the top of their head called spiraceles, which they breathe through. Bayshore are quite slow moving, so can have some problem with fast active tank mates stealing their foods. As bottom dwelling fish, they might starve as other fish can steal their food before reaching the bottom of the tank. So avoid to keep fast moving active swimmers with Bayshore fish. However, Bayshore fish is the best choice for your 250 gallon aquarium. Fourth aquarium fish for 250 gallon is Oscar fish. Oscars are infamous for their aggression, which is hard to imagine since they swim so gracefully, but they prove that looks can be deceiving. Those who are brave enough to keep them may initially be attracted by their appearance and colors, but quickly come to appreciate their intelligence and social behavior. These are temperamental creatures that should only be looked after by experienced fish keepers. As omnivorous, they are easy to feed, but it can be hard to find suitable tank mates. But don't worry, I already made video on our channel for Oscar fish tank mates. You can watch this video easily. I already link put in the comment box below. Usually Oscar fish grow 12 to 18 inches. They require minimum size of 90 gallon. But if you are thinking to make community tank with Oscar fish, so you will need huge tank like 250 gallon because they are very territorial fish, so they need a bigger space to swim. 250 gallon is the very good space for Oscar fish. My fifth and last aquarium fish for 250 gallon is peacock bass. The peacock bass is deep body with an elongated oval shape. They are very large fish reaching up to 29 inches long and weigh up to 10 pounds. Peacock fish is voracious predator and will eat anything that fit in its mouth. So keeping it is in a species specific tank is recommended. They can be kept silently or as a pair. These fish need a lot of room. A minimum of 70 gallon for juvenile, thought over 100 gallon is preferable. Adult will require at least 250 gallons, with larger being better. They do fine with moderate water movement and strong efficient filter. So bigger and better tank like 250 gallon is the best space for peacock bass fish. So guys, this was my video on which are the most best suitable 5 aquarium fish for 250 gallon aquarium. Now it's time to come end this video. I hope you like and enjoy this video. So guys, take care everyone and bye.